niya alas sa klase, kaya mas malinaw siya. Make others feel heard and valued. Tungan sila ang mga emotionally intelligent people. Motivate themselves even a setback. Hindi sila yung mga tao na harakiri dahil yung harakiri mag-suicide. That's a Japanese term for suicide. Sa Japan, muna karon mga bata. Uso na sa ilaya sa una pa, sa atong bago lang, di ba? Muna sila. Pag hindi ka makapan, so meaning, mga Japanese people, mahina nila EQ. Pilipino naman, nag-umpisa pa lang. Pero namin din ang aton nga EQ. Sinura sa pagkaon, di ba? Pwede ah. 1D, 1A, okay lang. Together with eskwela. I was in a retirement party last night. She is my under me when I was in the MU. And actually, I was the one who told her, basta sabi ka, because I met her, because noon wala pang mall. So my parents store. So sa may store na daw, sini mall man, wala pa man mall ang sa muna, may wala ka KCC. So, siling ko sa iya, every time na, ma'am, kumusta na? Ikaw, kumusta na? Forever na mag-self-care. Bali, ma'am, gusto ko mag-eskwela, di ba? Hindi naman mula ko may pa-eskwela sa akin, ma'am, tiyaro. Sige, why don't you apply sa working student? So, bayaran ka sa imo nga trabaho. Or then, from that hourly rate, bayad ka sa iyong tuition. So, wala niya yung So, namati sa akin. So, after that, 35 years, 36 years, na tungod sila, naging hinang niya ako sa kasal, etc. So, sila na sa akin, dapat alam din sa akin na retirement party na 60 siya agad. I think today siya, mga 16, 19. So, looking back, grabe, no? Emotionally, ano ba siya? May boyfriend siya, Dubai niya na boyfriend, 10 years, tapos nag-asawa ko boyfriend niya sa dentist. Siyempre, niya, grabe, may makita ka pagit sa namin. Nag-asawa siya sa may tatlo ka bata. Kaya siya, hindi na siya pwede magbata. Balaan niya nagaan. Siguro ang ito yung nag-separate ng iya boyfriend. Karon, siyempre nagkatunalan siya kabata. So, kahapon kagabi, hindi pakilala. So, ang eldest naging CPA. Galakmay ito sila. Alas sa katawanan nila. Ang isa naging HRM. Then, ang isa na maestra, wala siya kagabi. Kaya siya secretary. So, emotionally, siya mismo, emotionally resilient siya. So, I'm happy na pagkakita ko, so, I'm part of her mga success niya. So, kasi pag-retirement, usually it's your birthday, 16th or 60th birthday. Kasi private school siya, so dapat 16 sa SSS, 60 again. So, mas tinasunod si when you reach 60, out again. Then, kung magbabilit ka, hindi na ako doon yung sweldo. So, ano ang minimum wage ka rin for 30? 12 months. Diba? So, who are they? So, in relationship, teams and relationship flow, EQ open outweighs low intellect. In fact, studies show that emotional intelligence is a better predictor of career success than IQ. Hindi maging siya to bright, tama lang sabay. Pero, naging mayo siya, siguro ay emotionally resilient siya. Then, the term was popularized only in 1995 when psychologist Daniel Goleman published a book about EQ. Introducing much of the world to managing emotion can greatly increase your chances of success. Then, The eight new adversity quotient, resilience, intelligence. It refers to how well you handle challenges, setbacks and change. It's your grit, your bounce back ability. Adversity. Anong ginamit ng adversity? Kaaway, di ba? First reaction, negative usually. But in adversity quotient, someone with high EQ doesn't crumble when plans fail. Kapares ng isang EQ. No? Sabay-sabay sa EQ. EQ. They adapt, learn, and grow stronger. Kung hindi sila successful, then they bounce back immediately. Hindi sila yatong mga nag-suicide o nag-inom ka pagusto sa rupan kaya wala na sa Dahil lang mga tao na kung brinkan daw amo lang ang lalaki o babae sa kabuhin mo. So they adapt, learn, in today's unpredictable world, beside intelligence is very critical. So amo ng adversity. So dapat taas man sabay sa EQ. Kasi hindi ka maging adversity quotient, resilient kung hina EQ. Usually, ang EQ kag AQ, sabay na sila. Then the last, so social SQ, social intelligence. Social intelligence, ability to navigate social situation effectively. It includes understanding social cues, building rapport, influencing others, and being tactful. People with strong SQ often make great networkers, team players, and leaders, and often have high EQ. So sabayin sila. Pag taas ang SQ mo, taas man ang EQ at AQ. Duwa na sila. Usually, ini sila ng taas EQ, A and EQ, and social SQ are hindi sila kayo bright. Natama lang, makasabay, hindi man sila tubo, middle. Pero, namin yung ability nila, leadership ability is good. Kaysa ilang bright tayo, nga hindi siya ka-go down sa iban. Lalo na kung siya ang pinaka-bright, siya lang bright sa kalibutan. Amo na ang dahil sa EQ na hindi maka-go down sa level sa ilang mga Okay, so tomorrow we'll have the handling customer inquiries. Okay, customer inquiries and complaints. We have only 2 days, 3 days. Tomorrow we'll finish. There are still 3 strategies for addressing customer concern. Then, making opportunities. I think the second is techniques for turning complaints into opportunities. Then, the third one is, that's the last, conflict resolution and negotiation skills. On Monday, just 26, we can have maybe role-playing on this. So, mula may ako, tomorrow I will give you what you have to role-play tomorrow para to end our chapter or our unit for the mentor. So, very short lang. Then our exam will be week 7. I will give you the pointers on Wednesday. Okay?
Yan ang pinakamahalaga na.
Please come for prayer. In the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Good morning. Oh, sorry, we tried to pray and invite us. Please siya, kasi nakaka-pray. Ma'am, pray tayo, ma'am.
Mabak.
Walang makuha naman sa ulitin na
Tapos na kagapon. Ano na 5 days. 6 days. Hindi 2 days. Lagi talaw nito. Tapos, pinag-ibig mo, pinag-ibig